Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add to favorites in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is Badoo. Once you log in, this interface will open up. Now what we want to do is simply go to chats. It's right next to likes. Click on this button right here. Then this is the chats. Right here, as you can see, I have chatted with a person. Now I want to add this person to favorites. Let's simply go to chats right here. Once you're in the chat section, something like this will open up. At the top right, here are these three dots. Simply click on it and it's gonna give you a few options like this, like add to favorites, unmatch, view profile, block and report. Right now we simply want to add to favorites. So let's click on this tab button right here that says add to favorites. And guys, that's it. That's how we add someone to favorites. It's as easy as that. And once you add someone to favorites, you can see something like this in the star sign. Well guys, that's it. That's how we add someone to favorites in Badoo. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.